Today we are making a tickly prickly pot. We need to have a box, scissors, paper, sellotape and some pens.
So the first job is to decorate your egg box. You can use colouring pens or paint for this.
I'm happy with my tickly prickly pot.
For the next part, you need to get some paper and you need to cut out a shape about the same size as the bottom of your egg box.
Now, Daddy's cutting out the paper.
The next thing we need to do is stick our piece of paper onto the bottom of our egg carton. So for this, I'm going to use a bit of sellotape, and I'm just going to sellotape each of the sides to it. This is where, if you are a child, you may need a bit of adult help just to cut all the bits of sellotape and just to stick it all on. So Marley, the next thing we need to do is choose 6 different textures. What sorts of textures could we choose?
Tickly, prickly, soft, squidgy, fluffy,
And rough?
rough.
Brilliant. So we'll go for those 6 different textures. So what we've done is we've written each of those textures underneath one of the compartments of the egg box. Okay, so the final task is for somebody to go and fill up each of those 6 compartments with all the different textures that they can find in the garden. Brilliant. So Marley, what we've got here, we've got some rough bark. So you need to pop that in the right one.
This is very hard to put in.
Good boy. A little feather for Fluffy. So we've had our scavenge all round and we've found all of our different textures and we've filled them up in the different pots. Now what we could do to finish is we could go and find Mummy, couldn't we? And we could ask her what all the different textures are and see if she can guess all 6 of them from what we've found all round the garden.